Today we are making a Chia Overnight Pudding for your breakfasts. So first put some yogurt in a bowl. I am using Greek yogurt without fats, but any other will do. Then add some chia seeds that are rich of protens and nutrients that are really good for your body. In a pan boil some milk, but be sure to pour the right quantity. Don't put too much milk like I did, but luckily I had more yogurt to add. Now cut and add some fresh fruit. And enjoy.